Hello there folks, welcome back to another video. So today in this video we're going to fix your hard disk from being performing really slow. If you have ever wondered, you bought a new hard disk that is Seagate Ultra Touch, or it could be anything with the new versions of the hard disks especially. So if you got this and you see others are getting the good speeds but you're not, but why? Is your hard disk faulty? Nah, it cannot be. It's because it's a new hard disk and you have the serial number and everything, you have the warranty. But in most cases, the hard disk won't be faulty. So what you gonna do? I got my backup plus. For example, let me show you. I need to copy some files. Let me say that I want to copy this file. You will see my speeds are like around 7 to 12. I mean, this is really sad, right? That's a sad part. Fine. We don't want this. Just cut it back and paste it here. From here also you can see I did the read, I did the write. From the both I get the same result. This is really a bad result and we're going to fix this in a very few minutes. Alright, so we have finally cut the file. So now our space is a little bit more now. So it's still not performing well. What you can do, the first thing, if you ever got a new hard disk, it will be in an exFAT system that is designed for Mac systems. If you don't have a Mac with you, then you must have been facing this problem, because if you are here, you're a Windows user, not a Mac user. So I bet that, and what you can do, instead of going all over here, go to format. For you it will be exFAT system. So for me, it was exFAT. I changed it to NTFS default because NTFS does better operations than exFAT. Even though exFAT is an advanced system, but it does not go good with Windows. It does not perform good with the Windows. So I choose NTFS as default, and the quick format should be on, and click on start. You'll be able to format your hard disk, and after that you'll see how the file operations work. But if that doesn't work for you, there is one important thing you need to know. If you have an extension cable, if you have a USB 3 extension cable like this, which I have here, and when I connect my hard disk to this cable, it does not perform well. So it could be that the cable is faulty here, but if it's not, you can try with the other ports. If you get the same error, if you get the same slow speeds even after connecting to several other ports and trying it in other PC, then you must have to replace the hard disk because you still have the warranty for it. And yes, do try for the other ports and also check for the NTFS file system format. Then you should see that your hard disk will be working smooth. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Yeah, thanks that trip. This is an introduction. Oi, man.